I knew I wanted to do shipping labels as one of the key features of the app, and I needed somebody that could take an idea and build it, right? I know some basic HTML and things like this myself, but for actual programming work, I needed somebody that was expert. I looked on like some of these other portals on the net where you can get sort of freelance work and things like that, and it all just felt so unprofessional to some sense. I wanted a company to do it. So I really wanted to find somebody that was offshore and was a company who, you know, if one person's sick, there's going to be somebody else there. And I came across a blog post that Idyllic had done. And so, yeah, I basically thought, hey, these guys have done it before. Let's see if they'd work for me. You know, starting a small business, and they seemed to get that and not expect me to be, you know, a huge company coming in. They were happy to hear me out, and so even just from the start, I felt it was a pretty good match. And then I stopped looking from then on and went with Idyllic. They're nice people as well, right? So you get a good relationship, and you get access directly to the people that are building it. So they understand, you know, both your business side, and they take care in understanding it, and then they know exactly how to build it. The first round of development I did with Idyllic was based on some specifications that I'd done. So they took those specifications, basically an outline of what it is I want and a couple of sort of scribbles of how it should look and things like that. And then they gave me a design back, sort of saying, hey, it could look in this way or it could look that way. I got multiple designs to sort of take a look at. And then they've also done all the programming work. So they took the idea and brought it to life. And then the quality of what I got back was excellent. It runs itself, basically. I do a little bit of support, and then if anything sort of goes wrong or whatever, then Idyllic are there to help me out. As for working offshore, I have had no problems doing it. You know, it's a matter of communication and being clear about what you want. Even with time differences and things like that, it hasn't really mattered. Anything urgent, they've always been there. We communicate quite clearly either via Skype or email, and it gets the work done. Orderly print from the start, I was very happy with what I got. I'd probably rate it a 9 out of 10, which is great.